Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to use your Stremio on iPhone. So basically to actually do this is pretty simple. So first you have to do it in your computer first and copy your link there. So when you're in the home page, when you're using it in your Mac or Windows, copy it. And basically when you go to Safari right here, I want you to paste it in right here. So this is going to be an example, but this won't work because I don't have an account. So here, just press go, and then basically here you want to actually just press this button and then scroll up and then add the home screen, and then basically it's gonna add it like an application for you to use it on your iPhone. So that is how you use your Stream.io on your iPhone. But if it doesn't work, the first thing you will have to do is actually again open your PC, log it in, go to your settings, streaming, and then enable remote connections and set the IP that works best for you, of course. Copy paste the streaming HTTPS, of course, like what I've said, which is going to be this one, the HTTPS streamio/pwa.pages.dev. That's just an example. And then log into your Streamio on Safari and do whatever you want. So there you go.